students hear the alarm bell go off, it is important to go line up and for the teacher to put on her orange emergency sack. Next, the students should head over to their emergency location zone. The students should be calm and walking in an organized fashion. There should be no horseplaying or running. When everyone gets to the safety zone, it is important to stay quiet and listen to the teacher. Raise your hand and say present. If everyone is there, the teacher will raise his or her green paper. However, if there is a student missing, a red paper should be raised. An alarm will go off saying that it is okay to go back in. Next, when the students are headed back in, it is important once again to not run